little bit long. You guys okay with this? Well, I have this here on my... I think we should probably play this one because people know this one of ours. Like I said, I already gave a great lead into it. So this is not only to that young lady that I met a couple years ago after writing that letter all those years ago. This is for anybody out there who's struggling right now. It might look dark right now. You might feel alone. Always remember it's temporary. It's always temporary. You get the opportunity just to relish the good times when they do happen. And always hold them precious. Just remember, no matter what, things always seem brighter and better after the rain. You can't let go. He never really loved you from the start. The only thing he ever gave you was a broken heart. Don't be afraid to lose what was never meant to be. Oh, after the rain washes away the tears and all the pain. Only after the rain can you live again. I know the emptiness you feel inside. You're thinking if you break away, you'll never survive. Yeah, I'm waiting as my heart beats just for you.